Good morning guys, I'm here now in Croatia. Shout out mga kabrother. Ah, Too much rain in the snow. How can you stop the rain? It's falling down. How can you stop the snow? It's falling down. Shout out mga kabrothers. Shout out mga kabrother. Dito kami. First day in Croatia, 15 years in Qatar. The hot climate in the Qatar now. Here in cool climate. Very good, very nice. Good morning mga kabrothers. Thank you very much for watching. Praise the brother. Thank you very much.